Over the last 2 weeks, we've adapted all our programmes and diverted all our resources into food provision. Our Friday community meal was adapted to be a takeaway meal. Today we're trialling for the first time hot food deliveries. We've also been creating art packs for adults and children and their families, and we're delivering those out around the area.
So we've enjoyed the community meals as they've been in all their glory when this room is full and bustling with life. And for the last 3 weeks now it's been moved to a takeaway service, and this is our first week of a delivery service, so we've been helping out and just literally getting the food to people from a safe distance. The food always gets such a good feedback. You couldn't tell that the chefs just entered the room or anything, could you?
Well, today it was pasta and veggie sauce, but we're trying to go for kind of vegetarian stroke vegan meals. So it's kind of including everybody in the community. It started out as a community meal, but with what's going on lately, it's turned into more of a sort of an emergency food service. So yeah, that's about the size of what we're doing at the moment. We're just trying to get food out to people hot once a week, and I'd like to really try and do something a wee bit more than just the once. Maybe try a couple of times a week from various places, but it's really needed just now. Something chronic.
The project I deliver is a climate challenge funded project, which is to reduce food waste. But because of the virus, we have adapted the community fridge to food deliveries. Usually we would encourage community members to come and pick whatever they really need. The community fridge has been supported by the team and also volunteers. So we have people who have really offered that service to take the food to the community. The Prospect Community Housing has been amazing, sending their drivers to deliver the food, and also a number of people have expressed their support of what we are currently doing.
So we wanted to create a map to show where people could go to get a free meal or some free food on every day of the week. On the map at the moment, we've been focusing solely on organisations providing food. Now that could be food banks, places offering takeaway meals, hot meals, kids pack lunches. We have a couple of organisations that are doing home shopping for people that can't get out, and there's one location that is offering to collect prescriptions medication for people that aren't able to go to the chemist. There's two main reasons that we developed this map. Local people can look up and find out where they can access free food, but also for the organisations that are providing food to get an idea of where are the gaps, so we can actually work together to make sure we're providing a more sort of comprehensive service and really responding to the needs as they arise.
So we've got a whole variety of different materials pulled out the cupboards. So we've got an early years pack, and then we've got a kind of young people's pack. And really it's just an opportunity to use the materials, explore what they can do, post back to us what they've created, and yeah, share what they're doing. It doesn't immediately seem as obvious and as straightforward as the sort of food provision, but actually everybody's at home, they're all together. Family life is hard at the best of times. Quite a lot of the kids that we work with spend a lot of time playing outside, so being all together can create some kind of tensions in a family. And it's really important for us that the young people that we work with know that we're thinking about them, that we care about them, and that we are doing our best to basically replicate some creative opportunities for them that they can do at home. And we're staying in touch. We want to, make them know that we're here for them.
It just feels good to actually be doing something and to be working with all the other partners in Western Hales, because it really does feel like we're all in this together and all reacting in the same way.
It's quite a nice thing at the end of the day, just try to be able to help out as many people as possible. I'm able to get about, we have the electric van, it doesn't cost us anything,
All of this work is only possible through the brilliant work of the team here at Whale Arts and all the fantastic collaborations that are happening within Western Hales between organisations and voluntary groups. I'm really hoping that through this crisis we can manage to retain some of the brilliant networks and positivity that's coming out Some of the support that's come from funders has been brilliant, and I'd really welcome lots more conversations with funders about flexibility and support for organisations embedded in communities. If anyone would like to know more, just get in touch through looking at our website or our social media channels.